Hello, this is Kevin with OGO. Today I'm going to talk about the bucket collar. It's kind of a new accessory for us. It is a 3D printed part at the moment, and if with a lot of people want it in the future, then it's something we will probably mold. But the goal of the bucket collar kind of has two solutions. It looks like this, and it fits in between the ribs here. It is pretty tight, but you notice I have the stir rod front, so that this is a relief for the stir rod. If it's really full, the medium, and especially with toilet paper, can kind of get around that stir rod, and it might push over the solid bin a little bit. So this bucket collar sits over top of it, kind of gives it an extra layer ledge, and helps everything stay into the bin when it needs to. The other good reason that people like the bucket collar is in really bumpy roads, the solids bin can kind of just pop up a little bit. This bucket collar naturally has kind of the distance, keep it down, and then we have these little clips here that help put some force on it, and I put them on these ribs, and that helps keep this down so it's not jumping up at all. And that is the bucket collar. It's a new accessory product for us, and hopefully it works great.